How's it going, everyone? Mike here, September 17th. I'm going to do a quick sales update because this has happened. I've reached 200 sales in the US, and we've just hit half mark on the month. And today I'm recording this around noon, and 9 sales have come in. So in yesterday's video, I kind of had a mini celebration about having hit over 10 sales every single day for the last week, and I was talking about the 7-day average, and as you can see here, it's just basically continued going up. What's happened even today, my number one seller is there, and the sales are coming in, but sales are increasing across the board. So even though, for example, if I was to look at let's say this month, as you can see here, 99 sales. So exactly half of my sales, and that's what I said in yesterday's video, half of my sales are coming in from one product. Even though that's the case, sales are coming in for all kinds of products. So products that I've listed a year ago that I've maybe only sold once. I just, this product here you can't see, but it was a product that I uploaded yesterday. So there's a whole bunch of new activity that started happening, and the results are pretty obvious. As you can see, 7-day average is now, like I said, it's saying 113, but that's with this day included, and the real number is about 120 at least, because by the end of the day, this will well, hopefully I'm gonna keep getting sales, but this will increase. So in about, I would say, less than a month, I've gone from a 7-day average of about, let's say, 60 to on a good week 70 to about 120. And again, this month, so just taking 16 days into consideration, and I am at $839 in profits and almost $4,000 in sales. That in itself is incredible, and I'm very excited because this is September, and the real sales don't actually start coming in until late October and November. So I'm just have my fingers crossed that this is actually the start of this season, and that it's going to continue like that. I also mentioned that I was saying I don't want to get too cocky, because when you get cocky, you will most likely get disappointed, and reality will bite you in the ass. But I was saying that with high confidence I was going to beat most of these months, most likely all of these months, and 16 days in, I've already beat February, April, May, July, and then these months are pretty close. I wouldn't be surprised if even by the end of the day I take out a couple of these months. So the reason I'm talking about this is because we have to take into consideration that this kind of an increase is not a slight increase. This is a pretty aggressive move on the month, because halfway through the month I'm already beating most of the totals for pretty much the entire year. So looking at it that way, that's that's starting to feel really, really good. 201 sales in the US and 230 sales in total across all the marketplaces. Again, there's really nothing bad that I can say, but just kind of reflecting and taking a minute to see what's happened, it's definitely this number here, number of live products, and then of course we have to be real and say half of these sales, as we saw, are due to one product taking off. And again, I just want to remind everybody that, because I've received this question, that no, these are all organic sales, so I'm not running any ads, and there's no Amazon's Choice tag or anything. It's just simply that once that momentum picks up and your bestseller rank drops, the more people start seeing the product, and that's how you get those sales. So again, yesterday I did a video when I had about 2 sales in the morning. I was mostly talking about Wednesday and Tuesday and the rest of the week over here, but then yesterday, by the end of the day, 16 sales total. So for the total amount of royalties, as you can see here, 68, so $70. So $70 here, $65 here, $90 here, $50 here. It's really starting to add up, and hitting $840 and the total here would be, let's see, 30, 40. So we're looking at, let's say, close to $900 in royalties for the first 16 days of the month. That's starting to feel really, really good. Anyways, that's it. I just wanted to do that update. The milestone is, hitting the 200 sales in the US and total 230 overall, and all of that in only 16 days. I love it. I very, very excited. Hopefully, you guys are seeing similar or the same kinds of results. And I'm, like I said, I'm extremely excited about the next couple of months, because pretty soon I'll be, hitting that 100,000 number when it comes to live products. Still a very low number of live designs, as you can see, 5,109, but still this number is huge. And again, I mentioned, at what point do these numbers become kind of insignificant? Do we only need to concentrate on this number? Does this make a difference if 70% of these products will never sell because they're products that people don't buy? But again, I guess the sheer volume definitely helps, and hopefully this continues. And like I said, I'm very happy. That's it. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon.